This demo demonstrates a call queue using LiveKit phone numbers. Call the phone number and you'll be able to see the state of the survey that it's doing live. This phone number is purchased and configured entirely through LiveKit and attached to an agent hosted through cloud. Let's give it a try.
Hello. Thanks for taking the time to speak with me today. To start, how many times per week do you typically request a ride share with LiveRide?
Once a week.
Great, thanks. On a scale from 1 to 5, how would you rate your most recent ride share with us?
I'd rate it 5 out of 5.
Awesome. What is your favorite feature of the LiveRide service right now?
Since this uses metadata on the rooms, we can view any number of rooms in the queue at the same time, no matter how many people are calling. And then we can see if I hang up on the call, it's going to disappear from the queue. For all the code for this demo, you can check it out on GitHub. It's all open source. The demo is also live, so if you want, you can call the phone number, you can see your questions pop up in the queue, and you can modify any of the code in this demo for your own uses.